How to enable or disable set time zone based on location on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down, and from here, tap on general management. Then tap on date and time. Next, go down and then tap on set time zone based on location. So tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And here say use your phone's location to determine the time zone. This may help if your mobile network sometimes provides the wrong time zone. And finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.